Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
This video shows the only reliable way to add a driver profile to BMW. You need the vehicle key, owner account, and the BMW Connected Drive login ready. Have your smartphone paired via Bluetooth and the car on ignition position too. We will use the iDrive system and the My BMW app together step by step. If you lack the owner account permissions, stop and contact the vehicle owner immediately. Follow safety practices. Keep the vehicle parked and the parking brake engaged while configuring. Start inside the vehicle with the engine running or ignition in position 2. Press Menu on the iDrive controller and select Profiles from the main screen. Choose Add Profile, then select Create New and confirm with your iDrive controller press. Open My BMW app on your phone and sign in with the same Connected Drive account. In the app, go to Vehicle Settings, then tap Share Vehicle and Add Profile. Select the new profile name, choose Driver Preferences, and save to Vehicle over the cloud. Wait for a confirmation message on the iDrive display stating Profile successfully added. If prompted, accept Profile Transfer and allow 5 minutes for synchronization to complete. Test seat position, mirror angles, saved climate settings, and radio presets immediately after sync. If the profile does not appear, recheck connected drive credentials and Bluetooth pairing between phone and car. Factory reset is not required and will erase other user data. Avoid it as a first step. Now,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.